one man who was not at Sushant Singh Rajput's Bandra residence when he was found dead. One man who was still in conversation with the ambulance driver is one person called Sandeep Singh, who's a filmmaker, a producer, and he claims to be Sushant Singh Rajput's very close friend. Yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, we revealed that there were four phone calls made between Sandeep Singh, who was not present at Sushant's residence when he was found dead, and the ambulance driver, not only on the day he died, but also on the next day, where his team said that Sandeep was only calling the driver to pay him the money. We have now spoken to the driver. This latest, in fact, sting operation expose completely lays bare the lies which have been propagated by Sandeep Singh. Take a look.
सुशांत एक खुश मिजाज लड़का था, उसको अपने ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस था। उसको पता था कि उसको क्या चाहिए, कितना चाहिए, कैसे करना है।
On TV, on social media, and in controversy. A lesser-known filmmaker garners sudden spotlight after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Producer Sandeep Singh's call records, accessed by India Today, show he was not in touch with the actor in the last 1 year, at least on his main cell phone.
जैसे आप देखोगे कि पवित्र रिश्ता में एक टॉप पे टीवी पे आने के बाद उसने डिसाइड किया कि अब उसको फिल्मों की तरफ रुख करना है, और छोड़ने के बाद 3 साल घर पे बैठ के उसने तैयारी की कि उसको फिल्मों में कैसे आना है.
Yet he projects himself as one of Sushant's best buddies. Sandeep made multiple calls to the ambulance operator Akshay Bhangar, who transported the actor's body on the 14th of June for 2 days after the mysterious death. As the suspense grew, the filmmaker's publicity handler sought to downplay it. According to him, his client and the ambulance operator Bhangar were talking to each other to settle a payment, which he claims was finally made on the 22nd of June. That part of the Twitter thread has since been deleted. But India Today has reached out to Bhangar's brother and co-owner of the ambulance operation, Vishal. The service provider has torn apart Sandeep Singh's claims. According to Vishal, there was no payment issue to settle. According to Vishal, they already received 8,100 rupees for their ambulance services from Samuel Miranda, a former manager for Sushant and an alleged associate of accused Riya Chakravarti.
पैसे मिले कि नहीं मिले इसको लाने के?
मिला ना 8,100 रुपये.
किसने दिए?
दिए था शायद उसका सैम करके था.
सैमुअल.
Remember, Sandeep Singh is under the Enforcement Directorate's scanner over suspicious transactions allegedly between him and the late actor's bank accounts. Highly placed official sources say the Enforcement Directorate has already recorded Samuel Miranda's statement under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The CBI has also questioned him. The man is believed to be privy to all that went on between Sushant and accused Riya Chakravarti.
Samuel Miranda is a person who, allegedly was very close to Riya Chakravarti, and he holds many key between what was going on between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakravarti. If you go through the call record of Riya Chakravarti, the number of calls she has made to Samuel Miranda, it points out that she was having a very, close contact with Samuel Miranda, and CBI at this point of time suspect that Samuel Miranda is a person who knows what was going on between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakravarti in their personal life.
A filmmaker with no trace of phone conversations with a popular star over 12 months. He's all over the place, making his presence felt in the late actor's final journey. His claims about financing the star's ambulance shot down by the service providers themselves. A man seen as a close aide of accused Riya Chakravarti actually appears to have called the shots after Sushant's death, managing the household affairs after his former employer's passing, if the ambulance operator is to be believed. Vishal and his staff Ashfaq also busted wild speculation circulated by sections of the media about 2 ambulances and a mystery bag seen during the transport of the body. Listen in to what they revealed.
गलती क्या हो गई मेरे भाई की, सड़ेली गाड़ी में लेके आना चाहिए था सुशांत सिंह को, उसका स्ट्रेचर हो गया खराब। सेलिब्रिटी था जिसने बुलाया था हमको, पुलिस ऑफिसर ने, उसने बोला यार भाई अच्छी गाड़ी में बुला, तो नया गाड़ी भेजा हमने।
वो जो टीवी दिखा रहा था कि आपका भाई आगे बैठा हुआ है, कौन है वो, बैग लेके क्या था?
नहीं बैग नहीं, और रैगजीन है सर।
Opposing statements, apparent vested interests and sensationalism. The cause of an actor's death gets even murkier by the day. With Mohammad Hizbullah and Nitin Jain, this is India Today's special investigation team.
Devesh, where does this now leave Sandeep Singh, who has been now claiming, he was claiming that he wanted to settle the payment? If he was not talking about the payment which was already made, what was he talking about to the ambulance driver when he was not even present at the spot?
Yeah, Ankit, this raises a lot of doubts. This explosive investigation carried out by India Today brings to light that Sandeep Singh was actually lying. If the ambulance driver is to be believed, he has spoken to India Today and he has said that the payment regarding the ambulance services were made by Samuel Miranda. He has accepted that, and that has been recorded by India Today, while Sandeep Singh had been claiming that the communication that he had with the ambulance driver or the ambulance owner was regarding payment of ambulance services that were used on the 14th of June. This will bring to light when this will come to light when Sandeep Singh is probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Also, ED is looking into Sandeep Singh. Sources from ED have also told us that Sandeep Singh will be summoned soon and his statement will be recorded. There are also things which have come to light regarding Sandeep Singh, that he has travelled to some foreign countries after that of Sushant Singh Rajput, and that also needs to be probed, and that will only come to light when he is interrogated, when his detailed statement is recorded. Our reporters, our colleagues have been trying to track down Sandeep Singh, but he hasn't communicated, he hasn't responded to calls or messages sent by India Today reporters. Ankit?
All right, Devesh, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.